If we take these two passion topics of yours, collaboration and inclusion, what has, the pandemic and what's occurred in 2020 and 2021 done to those two key passions? How has it transformed? How has it changed?
So it's been multidimensional. So if we think about collaboration, we actually saw, particularly in the early stages of the pandemic, increased levels of collaboration because of increased level of dependencies. You look within organizations, but across organizations, from supply chains to sort of partnership models, there was a moment of, deep need for each other. We had to figure out things out together. There was, and that created more collaboration in the short term. We absolutely saw that. Now we'll see over time if we're able to maintain that. My anecdotal evidence would suggest that it's changing. We've gone from, last year when there was that we're in it together, now towards, okay, everybody needs to figure their way out of it. It's more what it feels like to me. I don't have data to back that up, but that's what it feels like. And then on the topic of inclusion, we've seen multiple opportunities and challenges. So we've seen opportunities in that remote work, or the increase in hybrid working has actually allowed people who might not have been able to be active members of the workforce to step into the workforce. So that's been positive. However, at the same time, we've also seen a negative impact on inclusion, meaning those who select to choose not to come into the office, they're actually experiencing disadvantages. As you think about performance, one thing that the data clearly shows is that there is a proximity bias, and those employees who are visible to their leaders and managers somehow get rated more positively, somehow are more likely to get promotion, somehow are more likely to get on the exciting new projects. So while we're seeing the pandemic open up the doors for people to enter the workforce who might not have been able to otherwise, we're also seeing a whole new set of challenges for those people coming in. How do we ensure they're treated fairly and that they're given the same opportunities? So it's been a two-edged sword, really.